Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to click photo on portrait camera. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on camera. Then here is the portrait, so you have to click on the portrait. After you have been click on portrait, try to click the photo. Suppose you have to try on the wall or on the line, not like this how I click, okay, because this one will not capture the object. So try to capture the object on the portrait. Why I'm saying this? Because now whenever you click on the portrait mode, now the object will be clear and the background will be blur on your mobile phone. Okay, you can check it. This one will be blur and this one will be clear. The object will be clear. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.